What do you have?
Pumpkin!
Pumpkin? Do you have a big chonky boy?
It's not.
A big chonk? Go up to your pumpers. Pumpers! Jump, 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 jump. No. They're not jumping. Are they gonna run? Jump.
Okay, hold on. Do something cool with the tree. Stupid with a tree. The climbers.
D-I-C-T-H. I just did a bad thing. I regret the thing I did. Hello. I haven't done a proper vlog in a very long time in terms of like talking. So I didn't really vlog for October because I was coming back from my trip and it was just way too much, and I just decided that it wasn't worth it because I was like stressed about a whole bunch of things. That being said, the trip has made me realize that I'm a very stressed person. So trying to just like manage that and be less of a stressful person. I'm trying to grow them out because I feel I really want to try the heart-shaped bangs, but I'm not there yet. I had a Halloween video that I wanted to do, but then a whole bunch of stuff happened and I just couldn't get it done. So, and it doesn't really matter because there's like 20 people that watch this channel anyway, so. I still have the Fiji videos to go through and the travel video, and yeah. I just wanted to say hey. I don't know, I think I just needed to do like a mental health check because like I'm okay, but I was still like, am I okay? I think I'm fine. I was contacted again to do another shoot, so I'm excited for that. So I think we're doing that shoot towards the end of the month. So that'll be exciting. I am actually also in the process of doing a whole bunch of Christmas minis, and so I bought out all of the trees. And here is a little Christmas tree. Ignore the fluff at the bottom. Here is one that I am currently working on. I have a few, I like working in stages with a whole bunch, so we'll see if I can show, well yeah, I'll definitely show when it's done. Yeah. Apparently, she was only a little bit angry, only attacked the vet a little bit, but they said she did okay, so she's still a little bit drugged up right now. I'm at the Forks right now. We're gonna do some filming here, see how it turns out, and if it's good, hopefully I can finish the American Horror Story lookbook outfit video. I forgot how nice the Forks is now. It's way better than what it used to be. Also, I'm having a latte at like 5 p.m, so this is gonna be a terrible idea, but whatever.
This will be good.
He doesn't sit like this, whatever.
Reason those are always fucking tight.
People love those.
Stop talking, you fucking.
Okay.
Don't talk.
Heading towards the shootout. Hopefully nobody can hear me. There's a couple people walking on the street. And oh, these are the boots that I got. I shouldn't have gotten them, but I got them anyways because they were like really cheap. So yeah, we're gonna go now. I don't think I'm running late or anything, so yeah, here we go.